Okay guys, this is what I did. I had this little military engine. They come on water pumps and various little pieces of equipment. This is a gasoline engine, so this thing is vintage 60s, 70s, 80s, before US military went all diesel. So it normally looks like, if you walk around here, they would come on a water pump like this. That little water pump right there has all the little military type accoutrement. These things are made to run for days, pumping water and doing different chores, but not very exciting looking, I thought anyways. I wanted to demilitarize it, so to speak. So I took off all the unnecessary shrouds, exposed the fins on the engine and such, and we're gonna build a little cute little mini bike out of it. It's alive!